everyone. We're at Cramlington Station. This artwork was done by Beacon Hill Primary School. Daddy, wasn't it?
It is. Yeah, they've donated it to the station.
Yes.
And Beacon Hill's just behind us, isn't it? Quite close to the station.
Yeah, and recently we have seen a freight, haven't we?
But yeah, so we're doing, because Daddy's shifts are rubbish this weekend, isn't it?
Yeah, he's working today and on Sunday.
That's terrible, isn't it? Yeah. So we did a little bit of spotting, so a freight before football.
Yes,
then
with a local hunter as well.
A local hunter was here. Yeah. Then you've been to football and you enjoyed it.
Yeah, and now in the cross country's just passed.
We're going to do a little bit of train spotting now before Daddy goes to work, and then we'll go on.
And the next 3 trains are across country in a Zima, and then another Azima.
And then we're going to go home, and then we'll come back tomorrow morning before Daddy goes to work. So we'll do this video in 3 sessions, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Looks like a doubler. Yeah, it did. Off it goes into the misty fog. Yeah. It's time to go to football. Come on then. Yeah. It's funny, normally we're having problems here because it's too dark. Now the drivers can't see because it's too bright. The sun's too bright. Never mind. It was a late one, but we did get one.
That did give me a fright.
Did, me too. Yeah. Yeah, we did. That's a good way to end session 2. Yeah. We'll come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Good lad. Did.
I'm just wondering why the lines are made in the
crackling noise and the sparks. I don't know.
The cross country.
Take a doubler.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You got a bee.
We did.
And I think the cross-country driver gave me a wave as well.
We'll have a watch, see if we can see.
There's a freight.
Uh-huh.
You got a bee, and that was 66012.
66012. I wonder if we've seen that one before.
I don't think we have.
We'll have a look once it's around the corner.
Daddy,
It's a 3-car, isn't it?
58, Daddy.
Is that a 3-car?
Yeah.
That is strange.
Why is real? Daddy, a fever.
Pentagraph is sparking as well. Wonder why they're all sparking today.
That's a cross-country.
Thank you! Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Yeah.